Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off your iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. We need to do one thing. We need to hold up this button and volume up button. Hold, and here we need to swipe to the right, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.